Children, yesterday I had explained you The Piper of Manas, written by Deepika Murthy, adapted from Little Indians, stories from across the country. Let's have a quick recap. During a thunderstorm, Dr. Subindu Fukan rescued a baby rhino from the Kaziranga National Park in Assam. He was a veterinarian from Manas. After necessary paperwork, he took the rhino calf back to Manas and he cared at the stabilization center. Baby rhino was in shock and needed immediate monitoring. His children, Dr. Fukan children, Arnav and Radhika, were very happy to see the baby rhino with bump on his nose, and they said that he was one-horned Indian rhinoceros. The next day after school, children went to stabilization center to see baby rhino. Baby rhino was not ready to eat or drink anything. So Dr. Fukan was worried that he will not survive. He can die if he will not eat anything because he was under shock. Who was under shock? Baby rhino, because he has lost his mother. He had lost his mother in floods. Okay, the next day after school, Arnav and Radhika went to see the rhino calf. He was lying down in a corner of the open enclosure. So next day, when Arnav and Radhika came back from school, they wanted to see the baby rhino. So they went to the stabilization center. Baby rhino was lying down. Who was lying down? Who is he? Baby rhino. So they were, Arnav and Radhika were told that their father had gone out for some work, but they will come back very soon. And baby rhino was lying down in open enclosure. Open enclosure means, children, a place where animal is kept without a cage. They were told that their father would out on work but expected back soon. Since he had forbidden the children from ever approaching wild animals on their own, they moved a little away from him. So, a member of, who is he here? So, he had forbidden. Who had he? A member of stabilization center told children not to go near wild animals. And children, they moved away. Forbidden means told them strictly to keep away. So, one of the member told them, you be away and your father will return very soon. Arnav was learning to play the flute and always carried with him. Arnav was learning to play the flute and he always carried flute with him. He started to play a new tune and had learned in music class that day. So what Arnav did? He started to play a new tune which he had learned in his music class. He played well, each note in place, the tone bright, the pitches rising. So pitches were rising. And he played very well. The lively folk tune got Radhika dancing and twirling around her brother. So the folk was so much lively, with so much energy, that Radhika started dancing and twirling. Twirling means turning round and round around his brother. Going spin quickly. Okay. Going round and round around her brother. Arnav had closed her eyes and was concentrating on the music when he felt Radhika clutch his arms and shake him. Arnav had closed his eyes and he was concentrating on the music. At that time, Radhika clutched his arm. Clutch his arm means she held his arm tightly and just shook him. That listen, he stopped playing and opened his eyes. Who stopped playing? Arnav stopped playing and he opened his eyes. The baby rhino was standing just few feet away from them. So what happened? What they have seen when they have opened their eyes? That the baby rhino was standing just a few feet away from them. Equally surprised, the rhino moved back a few paces. ready to go back to his corner. So what happened? Rhino moved back few steps and he was going back to his corner. Play it again, whispered Radhika. Arnab put the flute to his lips and played the same tune again. So what happened? Radhika shouted to that Arnab, play again, play again. Why? Because Rhino stood a few steps away. Arnab put his flute to his lips and he started the same tune. He started to play the same tune again. The calf slowly came near him, bobbing his head and squealing as if enjoying the music. So what happened? Calf came slowly near them. Bobbing his head means moving his head up and down in quick movement. And squealing means he was screaming. He was making a squeak sound as if he was enjoying the music. How anybody squeal when anybody enjoy the music? Like that only. He was squealing as if baby rhino was enjoying the music. Radhika stroked the rhino's back and Rhino just touched at his back. Rhino's back. Dr. Foucan had returned a few minutes earlier and was watching the scene in amazement. At that time, Dr. Foucan had also returned a few minutes earlier and he watched everything in amazement, in surprise. He was very surprised to see that what is happening, these things, how baby rhino is squealing. It was true that animals responded to music. And responded means animals react to music. This is true that animals react to music. Not only cats and dogs, but even big animals like horses canter to music. So, not only cats and dogs, even big animals, they also move to music. And elephants could even play certain instruments. And Dr. Foucan thought that animals can play also certain instruments. Means all animals, not only cats and dogs, even big animals like horses and elephants, they also respond to music. But he was sure that there had been no previous study about the effect of music on rhinoceroses. And he was sure that there was no study that rhinoceroses also respond to music. Then again, it was possible that they could respond to music as a rhino hearing is quite sharp and they make a variety of sounds themselves. Then again, Dr. Foucan thought maybe it is possible that because of rhinoceroses, hearing is very sharp. So maybe because of that, and they can make different variety of sounds also. That's why they have responded to music. Or could it be this rhino calf was special? He started thinking like how he has responded to music. Maybe his hearing is very sharp, or maybe because he can take out a variety of sounds, or maybe this three things he thought, or maybe this calf is special. Okay, three things he started thinking. Dyota. Who is Dyota? Dr. Foucan. Dyota means father. Cried Radhika, noticing her father. You know what happened just now? So Radhika shouted, Father, Dyota, see what happened just now. Arnab was playing his flute and I was dancing. And the baby rhino came close to us. So she said that Arnab played the flute and I was dancing. At that time, baby rhino came close to us. Isn't it great? Just like the Pied Piper story. So here she is telling about Pied Piper story, like how Pied Piper took all the rats away out of the town. You remember the story? That while playing the flute, how the Pied Piper took all the rats away. Okay, and after that children has also gone after Pied Piper. You remember, na? So she said, this is similar to Pied Piper story. Like that only, Arnab was playing the flute and baby rhino responded. And he came close to us. Who is us here? Radhika and Arnab. It is more fantastic than the story. After all, rhinos are much bigger than mice, replied the dazed doctor. So, doctor, here is, who is doctor? Dr. Foucan, Dyota. So Dr. Fukan said, after all, no, it is more good, more fantastic than the story. After all, rhinos are much bigger than mice. He said, rhinos are much bigger than mice, replied the dazed doctor. Dazed means he was confused. Doctor was confused that what is happening, how the baby calf has responded to music. That was when the children decided to name the calf Bahi, which meant bamboo flute in Assamese. So that time children decided to name baby calf Bahi. What they have decided to name them? Bahi. And it means bamboo flute in Assamese. Okay? So what is the meaning of Devta? Father in Assamese. And children had decided to name baby cow Bahi, which meant bamboo flute in Assamese. Dr. Fukan realized there was now a way to get Bahi back to normal. Arnav and Radhika were only too excited to help. So now Dr. Fukan realized that this is the only way from which Bahi can come back to normal. Arnav and Radhika were also excited to help. Arnav played the flute for Bahi every day. Radhika helped to feed the calf. So what happened? Arnav every day played the flute for Bahi. Who is Bahi? Baby calf. And Radhika helped to feed the calf. Soon the baby rhino came running to Arnav every time he heard the flute, and Radhika went round and round him as if dancing to the tune. So same as baby rhino came every time whenever Arnav played the flute and Radhika danced around him, and like that they succeeded to recover the baby calf. Adapted from Little Indian Stories from Across the Country by P. Kanani.